In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay video in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to place a video or image on top of another video for picture-in-picture effects, split screens, or stylish cutaways. First, head to the Canva homepage and make sure you're signed in. From here, start a video project in the format that suits your destination. If you're creating a landscape video for YouTube, a 1920 by 1080 design is a great choice. For vertical platforms, pick a portrait video format. Creating the project in the right size from the start saves you time on resizing later and helps your overlay fit cleanly without awkward cropping. If you already have a project in progress, you can open it from your recent designs on the home screen. That's what I'll do now so you can see this in a real layout. Opening a recent file lets you work with your existing timeline, text, and branding, which makes adding an overlay feel seamless. Inside your design, go to the Elements panel on the left. Elements is where you'll find frames, shapes, grids, and graphics that help structure your overlay. If you want a neat picture-in-picture effect, search for Frame and choose a simple rectangular or rounded option. Frames let you drop media inside so it snaps perfectly to the shape, keeping edges crisp and proportions correct. Now, choose the video or image you want to overlay. If your media is already in your project, you'll see it under Uploads. If not, upload it from your device or browse Canva's stock videos and photos. Click the item you want and it will appear on your canvas. Using higher resolution clips will keep your overlay sharp, especially if it's larger on screen. Next, drag your chosen media onto the canvas and into place. If you added a frame, drag the media over the frame until it snaps inside. Then resize using the corner handles and position it where you want, commonly a corner for picture-in-picture, or centered for split screen looks. Use crop to adjust what's visible, and the transparency slider to create subtle overlays that don't distract from your main video. To control layer order, use position to move the overlay forward or backward. In the timeline, trim or extend the overlay clip so it appears exactly when needed. If the overlay's audio isn't required, select the clip and lower or mute its volume so it doesn't clash with your main track. Press play to preview, tweak size, placement, and timing until it feels balanced and clear. That's it. Your overlay is set using Canva's simple, flexible tools.